I remember when they said it couldn't happen. I was wide awake while they were napping. Practice my addition, no subtraction. I took the bad out my life, no distraction.
What's going on YouTube? My name is Quis and welcome back to the channel. And in today's video I'm going to show you guys how you guys can fix StreamLabs OBS, the black screen issue. I don't know why OBS Studio and StreamLabs have this black screen issue. Like it only occurs on laptops. Like desktops this works fine, laptops it doesn't. So in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to fix it. There's going to be 4 methods, 3 methods for like personally for me temporarily worked, and 1 method permanently worked to fix the problem. So without further ado, let's get into this video. So the first method, you want to right click, properties, compatibility right here. You want to click this box right here, and then you want to click Windows 7. Click this drop down menu, Windows 7. Then you want to click this box, run this program as administrator. You want to click it, apply, and OK. Now you want to, before you open it, you want to right click, run riff, and then you want to click integrated graphics right here. So now if you see this screen, that means to change some settings in the video control panel. So what you want to do, you want to cancel, click cancel. Now this is method 2. You want to right click, properties, you want to undo these, apply, OK. And now what you want to do, you want to right click your desktop in the video control panel. Or now that it's loaded up, you want to go down, you want to go to program settings right here. And then in this drop down menu right here, you should see StreamLabs OBS. But if for some reason you don't see it, what you want to do, you want to click add. And then it should be in this window right here. But if you still don't see it, what you want to do is click browse. You want to go down to where you have StreamLabs installed. So I have mine installed in D. So you want to find it, StreamLabs, and then you just want to click it and hit open. So since I already have it, I'm not going to do that, but what you want to do, you want to click open. So now that you have StreamLabs right here, you want to click integrated graphics. If it works, if integrated graphics work for you, you want to click integrated graphics. But if high performance in the video processor works for you, you want to click that instead. Apply. Wait for it to apply. And now it's applied, so you want to exit out of here. You want to open StreamLabs, and if it works for you, it worked for you. But if it didn't work for you, we'll go down to method 3. Just wait for it to load. Loading everything in. Alright, as you guys can see, it worked. Well, it didn't work because I went through like 3 methods. But if it works for you, then you should see this, or you should see like a screen. You should be able to see your desktop. Now on to method 3. If it didn't work for you, what you want to do is, now you want to go down to your start menu, click the Windows logo, go to settings. Now when you're in settings, go to systems, display, and you want to scroll all the way down till you see graphics settings right here. You want to click it. Now what you want to do, you want to browse. See, I already have it, but what you want to do, you want to browse, and then you want to find where StreamLabs is where you install StreamLabs. You want to click it, and you want to add. Once you add, make sure this drop down menu is selected on classic app, not universal, classic app. So now once you add it, you want to click it, options, and then you want to click power saving. You want to save, exit, and then open StreamLabs. And then StreamLabs still doesn't work for you. What you want to do is, now this is method 4. What you want to do is, you want to right click the Windows logo. You want to go to device manager. Now once you're in device manager, what you want to do, you want to go down to display adapters, and then you want to disable your dedicated graphics card. Alright guys, once you guys disable this graphics card, you'll see like a little down arrow, which means it's disabled. So once you do that, what you want to do is open StreamLabs, and StreamLabs should work for you. So like therefore it's making StreamLabs forced to open in your other graphics card instead of your dedicated graphics card. And voila, it works. So if you guys like this video, hit that like and that subscribe button. Also comment down below what those videos you guys think I should do. If you need help, I'll be down in the comment section below. Yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'm signing off.